Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. It's me, Manan. Today we're going to get the most of Adobe Illustrator with 3 features that graphic designers really should know about. This is one part of a design. I'm a new YouTuber. If you want to see more creative tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be creating more videos like this. Let's get started. Creating rectangle lines. As an example, you are creating rectangle lines randomly. Selecting a light green color. To make it look better, you selected a light green color. Duplicating the lines. You duplicated the light green lines into 4. Aligning the lines. To align the lines, you press the Alt key and drag the lines. This selected all of them and horizontally centered them. Vertical revolving. You then duplicated the horizontally aligned lines and selected the edge to revolve it vertically. Changing color. You changed the color of the vertically revolved lines to blue. Intertwining. To combine the horizontally and vertically aligned lines, you selected all the lines and went to Object, Intertwine. Disabling unnecessary parts. You disabled the unnecessary parts and made the ones you need to show appear in front. Creating a shadow. To create a shadow, you made a new rectangle shape with a gradient and placed it behind the ribbon. Watching the entire video is important because it allows you to follow along with all of the steps in the process. Skipping parts of the video may cause you to miss important details, which could lead to confusion or errors when you try to complete the task yourself. Replacement. Finally, you replaced all of the lines, and now it looks more realistic. Certainly. Here is a more detailed explanation of the steps involved in creating rounded text in Eclipse. Open Eclipse and navigate to the Tools section where you can find the Eclipse tool. This tool is used to create circles and other shapes in your design. Once you have selected the Eclipse tool, draw a circle around the logo you wish to add the text to. You can adjust the size and placement of the circle as needed. Next, select the Text tool from the toolbar. Click on the text box to add the desired text. You can adjust the font, size, and color of the text using the options in the toolbar. To add the text to the circular path, watching the entire video is important because it allows you to follow along with all of the steps in the process. Skipping parts of the video may cause you to miss important details, which could lead to confusion or errors when you try to complete the task yourself. Go to the top Type menu and select Type on a Path. This option will allow you to add text to the circular path you drew around the logo. Within the Type on a Path menu, you can choose different text styles such as inside or outside text in an object. You can also adjust the spacing between the letters to your liking. Once you have selected your preferred text style and spacing, you can add additional text or make any final adjustments to your design before saving it. I hope this detailed explanation helps you create rounded text in Eclipse with ease. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to ask. Number 3 is the most important tip in this video. You can see the shape I created before. The path has multiple colors, and you can see how it looks in the appearance panel. Let's start with how I draw any shape and delete one anchor point. Then, go to the appearance panel and change the stroke size. Just press the Alt key and drag it down to decrease the stroke size. Also, change the color to show how it looks in the same procedure as the other ones. Now, you can see there are many strokes showing. In total, we have 5 colors of stroke. Now, go to the Pathfinder. If I duplicate the shape, things are as you would expect. This is all while we only have single vector paths. We can manipulate them in any way we want to, add multiple copies of our design, flip them, rotate them. We can see that our compound shapes unite in some form of kind of wizardry. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.